Next up, Recon Flyover. First of all, acquire a Recon Drone, then tag 20 enemies at Hafid Port and kill 30 of them. On the main screen over here, if I confirm my missions and edit my loadout, you'll see the field upgrade. We can choose to be a Recon Drone. This is the simplest way of starting this mission, assuming we land up on the far west side of the map. That would be perfect. Otherwise, we've got a long drive ahead of us. Unfortunately, I spawned on the far east. I'll just have to make do. Now that I have a vehicle, I'll just need to navigate across to Hafid Port, which is located on the far west side of the map over here. It's pretty much anywhere in this area that we need to mark enemies and then take them out. It's usually easiest to do it with a silenced sniper, that way they won't fire back at you, especially if you're well hidden. You will need to be pretty close to mark all of them with your Recon Drone, but besides that, we can take cover and hide away. There we go. Now I've found my way to the correct area. I'll find a nice spot to hide, relatively nearby to a lot of enemies. Usually I'd recommend running all the way across to the west side here. There's tons of AI to kill, especially unarmored AI, the easiest kind. So lying down, firing up a drone, it's the same controls as a plane. You'll simply need to stare at enemies, or at least nearby them, to tag them. You'll need to be relatively close by. It does seem you can tag the same enemies over and over again, which is pretty good. It makes life a lot easier for us. Oh, seems like I've just got it. Perfectly in time. Now to just rack up 30 kills. If you have a silenced sniper, this is going to be easy for you. At least until you're spotted. So, ending most of the enemies in the central location here, I'll navigate across to the far west, where we have the actual ship docked over here. There's tons of armored AI there to kill, which isn't always the easiest, but it's an option if you run out of AI elsewhere. Well, having ended most of them, I think I'll travel onto the ship. This should still count, at least, hopefully. I'm 13 out of 30. Let's see just how many more we rack up on here. Do note that these level 3 AI, the ones that are heavily armored, have definitely eaten carrots their entire life and can see you from very far away as well. Yep, it does definitely still count, however I am running out of ammo. Seems I've definitely been interrupted by players. Maybe I can run around, find a few more AI and finish my mission. I need another 10, that may be a little bit difficult to do now. I may have to return in another run. Maybe there's a few more in this warehouse, there usually is. Yep. There definitely wasn't 10 unfortunately, but there is a nearby stronghold. Let's check the south side over here. Hopefully I can poach another 4 before I run into these players once more. There's another 2. 2 more. Maybe I can flatten a few. Yep, that definitely worked. Cool. So, mission complete. Recon Flyover. Thank you all for watching. My name's been taken over here for Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.